Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your Shopify store look cool. First, select a visually appealing theme that truly represents your brand. High-quality product photography is absolutely essential. Aim for consistent lighting and backgrounds across all your images. A clear, intuitive navigation menu helps customers find what they need quickly, improving their experience. Finally, ensure your store is fully responsive, looking great and functioning perfectly on every device, from desktops to mobile phones, for a seamless shopping journey. Next, focus on building a strong, consistent brand. This means developing a unique logo and a cohesive color palette that resonates with your target audience. Apply this branding uniformly across all your store pages, social media, and marketing efforts. Your product descriptions should be compelling, highlighting key benefits and features in a clear, engaging way. Also, select one or two consistent fonts to maintain a professional and readable aesthetic throughout your entire store, reinforcing your brand's identity. A cool store also means a great user experience. Prioritize optimizing your page loading speeds. Customers expect pages to load in under 3 seconds. Integrate genuine customer reviews and testimonials to build social proof and trust with new visitors. Offer a variety of secure payment options, including popular methods like credit cards and digital wallets, for maximum convenience. Finally, ensure every product page has clear, prominent calls to action, guiding customers smoothly towards making a purchase. To truly stand out, consider advanced customization. Don't shy away from using custom CSS and HTML to fine-tune your store's unique design elements, making it truly one of a kind. Implement interactive features, such as product quizzes or configurators, to engage visitors and help them find the perfect item. Regularly publish engaging blog content related to your products or industry, positioning your brand as an expert. Lastly, offer personalized product recommendations to enhance the shopping journey and boost conversions.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.